Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Owning a car in 2027 is more exciting than ever because today's vehicles are smarter, safer, and filled with advanced technology. Many cars now include artificial intelligence, voice assistance, connected navigation, driver assistance systems, and improved fuel efficiency or electric power. While these features make driving more enjoyable and convenient, they also make car ownership more expensive than many people expect. When most people think about buying a car, they usually focus on the purchase price or the monthly payment. However, the true cost of owning a car goes far beyond the price listed at the dealership. Every vehicle comes with ongoing expenses that continue for as long as you own it. Understanding these hidden costs before buying a car can help you make smarter financial decisions, avoid unexpected bills, and enjoy your vehicle without unnecessary stress. Whether you own a gasoline car, a hybrid, or a fully electric vehicle, planning for these expenses is an important part of responsible car ownership. One of the first hidden costs is insurance. Every driver needs insurance to protect themselves, their passengers, and other people on the road. Insurance companies calculate premiums based on many different factors, including your age, driving history, where you live, how often you drive, and the type of vehicle you own. In 2027, many newer vehicles are equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, radar systems, and artificial intelligence that improve safety but can also increase repair costs after an accident. Because replacing these high-tech components is often expensive, insurance premiums for some vehicles may also be higher. Even if you never get into an accident, insurance remains a regular expense that must be included in your yearly budget. Comparing insurance providers before buying a car can help you understand the long-term cost of ownership. Fuel and energy costs are another expense that every driver should consider. Gasoline-powered vehicles require regular trips to the fuel station, while electric vehicles need charging. Although electric vehicles often cost less to operate per mile than gasoline cars, electricity prices vary depending on your location and charging habits. Charging at home during off-peak hours may save money, while public fast chargers can sometimes be significantly more expensive. Hybrid vehicles combine gasoline and electricity, offering a balance between fuel savings and driving range. Regardless of which type of vehicle you choose, transportation energy remains one of the largest recurring costs of ownership. Careful driving, smooth acceleration, and proper maintenance can help improve fuel efficiency and reduce long-term expenses. Routine maintenance is another hidden cost that many first-time car owners underestimate. Every vehicle needs regular service to remain reliable and safe. Oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, fluid replacements, air filter changes, and battery checks all help extend the life of the vehicle. Electric vehicles generally require less maintenance because they have fewer moving parts, but they still need brake inspections, tire maintenance, cabin air filter replacements, and cooling system checks. Skipping scheduled maintenance may save money in the short term, but it often leads to larger repair bills later. Following the manufacturer's maintenance schedule is one of the best ways to protect your investment and reduce unexpected expenses. Tires are another important but often overlooked cost. Every mile you drive slowly wears down your tires. Road conditions, weather, driving style, and vehicle weight all affect how quickly tires wear out. In 2027, many electric vehicles are heavier than traditional gasoline cars because of their battery packs, which can cause tires to wear faster under certain conditions. Premium tires designed for quieter rides, better fuel efficiency, or improved handling may also cost more to replace. Besides buying new tires, drivers should regularly check tire pressure, rotate their tires, and monitor tread depth. Proper tire care improves safety, increases fuel efficiency, and helps tires last longer, saving money over time. Unexpected repairs can happen even if you carefully maintain your vehicle. Mechanical parts eventually wear out, electronic components can fail, and accidents or road hazards may damage important systems. A simple rock hitting the windshield can require an expensive replacement if the glass contains cameras or sensors used by driver assistance systems. Modern vehicles rely heavily on computers and electronic control units, making some repairs more complex than in older vehicles. Labor costs may also increase because technicians require specialized training and equipment to diagnose advanced systems. Setting aside an emergency repair fund can help reduce financial stress when unexpected problems occur. Vehicle registration, licensing, and government fees are additional expenses that continue throughout the life of your car. Most countries and regions require annual registration renewals, license fees, emissions testing, or road use charges. Some areas offer incentives for electric vehicles, while others may introduce special fees to help maintain roads as fuel tax revenue changes. These yearly costs may seem small individually, but they become significant over several years of ownership. Including them in your annual budget helps avoid surprises when renewal dates arrive. Depreciation is one of the largest hidden costs that many drivers never notice because it does not appear as a monthly bill. The moment a new car leaves the dealership, it usually begins losing value. Over the next several years, that value continues to decline as newer models enter the market and the vehicle accumulates mileage. Some brands and models retain their value better than others, but every vehicle experiences depreciation to some degree. If you plan to sell or trade in your car in the future, depreciation affects how much money you will recover. Choosing a vehicle with a strong reputation for reliability and resale value can reduce this hidden financial loss. Now you know some of the biggest hidden expenses that come with owning a car. But there are even more costs that many drivers forget to plan for. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.